Well, we out here. Finna pick up the vet. Me and my guy Derek. Here, get it. Just had a cam installed, headers, the heads. Let's see. Oh. The hood is locked. Okay, let's go on in here. This is the 06. There you go, Derek. Go to the front. Let's see here. They got the door open. So, yeah, here we go. So, let's see.
Oh, that's just one box.
Oh, that's it? Everything's in there?
Except for the 2 pieces of exhaust if you want those or not. So
Oh, that's going in the trunk. Okay.
It's the original one. Cams in the box, the original springs.
Okay. Okay.
Secondary O2 sensors that aren't in there anymore. Old plugs and old push rods.
Okay. And then that's
And
the.
then those 2 exhaust.
You said I really don't want that one.
Okay. Yeah, we can throw it away for you.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a problem.
Yeah, I don't have no. Okay, good. That's fine. That's
Yeah.
Let me see him. Oh yeah, I gotta start it up.
Yeah, fire it up.
Huh, you can
Cheers.
hold. You can hold the
Is
camera.
it recording?
Yeah, it's recording. Look through
Okay.
there. Just,
All right.
let me see here. See what we can. Open
It's gonna be like a little kid with a
Oh,
swing
yeah.
toy.
It always is. Lay these down in there if you want.
So. So, are the cats still on here or not?
No. No, but it's all tuned up, so if you have emissions, if you have emissions, no problem.
I don't have emissions. It's collectors.
Perfect.
No emissions. Nothing to worry about.
So you could went straight out.
Let me take a look at it first. Let's see.
We tried to get everything back in the right spot. I took a couple pictures to get everything aligned.
Yeah,
So
this is a trip right here. It's funny. Okay, so they're black headers.
yep, that's the
Okay.
Cerakoting on them.
Okay,
So
that's the coating.
Yep, that holds the
Okay.
heat into the pipe a little bit more and gets it out of the engine bay.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'm like something look different, but it's mine. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, wow. These little
So-
scratches ain't worried about that. Okay, yeah.
So your coating bay is now up and running. I remember you said y'all
we're
had.
doing the powder coating and the Cerakoting now too. So
Okay.
Here we go.
Look, Bobby, this brand new toy. See how it sounds, Bobby.
Moment of truth.
Ah, you're gonna wake up the neighbors. Woo! Yeah, that sounds like a brand new car.
Okay. Good.
It'll get loud.
Oh, okay.
It'll get loud when it gets on.
Oh yeah. All right. All right, guys. I'm driving the car here. We got the cam installed, and it's a beast. You know, so it performs real well here. We're riding on some back roads here in Illinois, heading to Lake Geneva in Wisconsin, head back to the house. But it's performing real well. I mean, real smooth. Got a nice rumble to it. I mean, the power is, there's no hesitation in any of the gears. When I get on the gas, it's like it's just go. It don't want to slow down. It don't want to slow down. Right now, get in fifth gear. I'm in fifth gear. So it's handling real good. I like it so far. So I had the heads done. I had a cam installed. I had long tube headers put on, and they changed the harmonic balancer, did a tune on it, and a dyno. So for the money, I'm well satisfied. Let's get a 6th gear here. It's performing well, so when I get to the house, I'll show you some more footage. But I got a stick, so I'm talking and switching gears. I got a mount right there, but I'm too lazy to put it out here. See where I'm at. I'm in the bowl, about to run off the road, farmland. So I'll holler at y'all in a minute.